What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We hope you guys are good and have been keeping well. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We'd highly appreciate that. Don't forget to drop a like on this video as well. In today's video, we are going to be
working on a Lexus.
We do have the Lexus tops on. Shrill used to work.
Yeah, I'm working by Toyota now. I used to work at Lexus.
He used to work at Lexus, so this is not sponsored by any means. But anyway,
we're just wearing it so that we don't get our own clothes dirty.
Yeah.
With all the respraying and things that we're gonna be doing today. So yeah.
Yeah, so today we're just gonna be working on the radiator. Shill's gonna clean the fan shroud up and respray it. And then I'm just going to put a bit more soundproofing in the front and make it look neat. And yeah.
And then I have been looking on social media and on the internet for those flanges for the gearbox, and I really can't find it's so scarce. So I think the thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna probably get the 5-speed gearbox as well that comes with flanges that has been reconditioned. And I don't think that they're asking for a bad price. There's one guy, he reconditioned the gearbox and everything, and he's charging it he gave us a price for 1,500, which I don't think is bad, with a guarantee. But we'll still look out there if there's my friend Calvin recommended that we go to other company that actually does this for their business, and they'll give us a year guarantee, and I think we might consider them as well. But also we have a friend of ours that also has a fuse box that's willing to help us out, and we'll probably go with him to buy it from him. And then yeah, possibly soon we can get this baby started.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, but today I think we're just gonna be doing, like Cole said, the soundproofing, finishing up the fan shroud. I also wanna clean up the starter motor and maybe the alternator as well, so we'll check that in this video.
So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's get straight into it. We just arrived at the spray booth. Very professional setup. We're just doing the last safety checks before we go ahead. Very professional setup. Shell's washing line. Okay, so we happy with the soundproofing now. It's in, well, it was in. We just put a bit more in. Shell just finished up the cover. He sanded it down and sprayed it. So we're gonna put it back in now, and he's busy with the fan motor as well, as you guys just saw. Yeah, he's just doing a few more cleanups, and then the fan is clean as well. Just make it a bit brighter. So this fan was extremely dirty. Shell just actually used sandpaper and some water to clean the fan off, so everything is nice and clean now. And yeah, we're gonna maybe put it back in. Are we putting it back in? No. So yeah, we're just gonna put it back together now, and yeah, let's get to that. Okay guys, that's all we have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.